So we have question number 4 from 5 questions a day challenge, and it is from simultaneous equations. To solve these two simultaneous equations, the first equation is 2x plus 3y equals 12, and the second equation is x minus y equals 2. Okay, so we don't have coefficient same. We can do anything to make coefficient same, but the best thing is to really make the coefficients of those variables same which are having different signs. So we have y's here which are having different signs, no? So what we're going to do, we are going to be multiplying the entire equation, which is times it by 3. Why? Because the coefficient is 3 there. These are the clear things, no? Right now we are into the practice mode. Okay, so the blue equation turns into 3x minus 3y, that is equal to 6. And what the black equation was, it was 2x plus 3y, that is equal to 12. If we just add them up, because opposites add, same subtract, SSOA, you remember? SSOA. Same subtract, opposite add. Okay, so right now we are having opposite signs. We are going to be adding them up. So if we add them up, 3x plus 2x will give us 5x. That would be 0. Just cancel them out. It is equal to 12 plus 6. That is 18. Correct? Now, what's the value of x? X is 18 fifths. Okay, what the value of y would be? Just plug it in anywhere, maybe here. So in the blue equation was nothing but x minus y equals 2. Okay, let me actually make it blue equation. Then it would look better to say blue equation now. Okay, so this blue equation, we already have the value of, just make y the subject. So if y is the subject, it would be x minus 2. No? Just move it there and 2 here. So y equals 18 fifths, take away 2. So that would be, if you don't know how to fix it, so 2 over 1, what do we need to do? We need to make the denominator same. That is very basic thing, but times it by 5, because the other denominator is 5. So that turns out to be 18 fifths, take away 10 fifths. So 18 take away 10 is 8 fifths. And that's what our answer is. So the solution of the given quadratic equation, simultaneous equation, we have x is 18 fifths and y is 8 fifths. How to cross-check that? It's fractional value, otherwise these type of questions are very easy. Just to cross-check, we are going to be substituting in, plugging it in any equation, maybe the second equation, because it doesn't have coefficients, no? So it's easy to solve. So just cross-check. Here we are just cross-checking. So x minus y equals 12. Let's do left hand side. X is 18 fifths and y is 8 fifths. So 18 take away 8 is what? Isn't it 10? 10 fifths, and that is 2. And that's what our right hand side was. So yes, these solutions are correct, and yeah, I hope that makes sense. Thanks.